Hey guys, Dave with BuildAlpha here. So after getting an email from a potential BuildAlpha user, he had asked me if it was possible for BuildAlpha to find rules to improve his existing strategy. So after a couple email exchanges, we actually found a way that BuildAlpha can be used to find rules to either turn your existing strategy off or to actually fade your existing strategy, to go opposite your existing strategy. So what he did is he sent me his strategy's historical P&L. So basically we set it up so that it's a time series. So we have date, time, open, high, low, close, volume. Again, the time you can see is a new addition to BuildAlpha as we get ready for some big intraday upgrades, but I'll talk about that in other videos. But all we did is we set everything to 0, specifically the opens. And in the close column, we put his end of day P&L for his existing strategy. So what this does is it allows BuildAlpha to build one-day trading systems where you would get a rule on row 1, bar 1, and it would say buy the next open and then sell the next close. So obviously if your sell price minus the buy price, the open here, is going to amount to adding this P&L to the BuildAlpha strategies P&L. So what we can do is try to come up with some rules to make this existing strategy better. And to set it up in BuildAlpha, we're going to take this P&L file and make it our user data 1, which again is in settings. Right there's our P&L file. And you can do this with any price data, but here we're obviously doing P&L, so getting a little creative here. And what we want to do is we want to enter on the next open after we get a rule, and we want to exit on the close, which is exactly like I just described in Excel. Then we're going to set up market 2 as the market that his strategy was originally built on. And then we're only going to select signals for market 2. So for here, I've only selected a signal for market 2. Again, you know it's market 2 because all the close 2 here. And the market 3 signals are grayed out because I haven't selected a market 3 here. But again, there's other videos on intermarket signals. But long story short, we were able to find a short strategy here that faded his original strategy, and it actually the fading strategy recovered about 30% of his losses were actually turned to gains, which increased his overall profitability obviously historically speaking by over 45%. So I'm going to have more about that in the blog post. And again, read all the disclaimers and stuff. This is just showing how BuildAlpha can be used as a potential research tool to improve existing strategies. And I just want to show the example we found so you could see even out of sample we found a rule to fade his existing strategy that performed quite well. So that's it, guys. That's a pretty new feature that was unbeknownst to me, but I'm glad to share it with everybody else. Again, BuildAlpha now, I guess, has the capabilities to find rules to improve or fade existing strategies. All right, guys. See you in the next one.